How you doing? My name's Joe. I do voice impersonations. I live in Marlborough, Massachusetts. And if you don't believe me,
well then. Because my name is Mickey Mouse. And I do stuff very well. I went into a Disney store one day and they go, "Hey, if I talk like Mickey, do I get a job?" The lady just looked at me kind of funny and I walked out. I don't know why. I never got a call back from them. But then people go, "Oh, well, your voice is really high and you don't do anything like that." So I go, "It could be a lot higher if I talk like Elmer." Yay, Elmer! Elmer is amazing! Elmer's word! Yay! Elmer does it very well. And then I was watching the news and I said that
Arnold, he was on the nose and there was all these problems with him and everything going on, and he was like, cool. He was like, I'm good with you, I'm good with them, I'm good with everybody. The only thing I hate about people who do Arnold's voice, I hear him online all the time, they always go, get to the chopper, come with me. They don't actually talk like him, they just do little quotes. You need to be able to talk like the person. I am Arnold, you are not. And then I have to say, I love The Lord of the Rings. It is an amazing movie. I do it all the time, I watch it, and I love this girly guy, Gollum. He's amazing. You listen to him, he's like, stupid habits as a